This meditation will make your specific person love you until death do you part. And after listening to this, they will do anything and everything for you, even burn the whole world just for you. Now let's begin. They love me so much that it is impossible to express it in words. They are always going to great lengths just to be with me. Their love for me is eternal. Their love for me is and will continuously and perpetually exist throughout the ages, the centuries, and the millenniums. We are going to end up telling stories to our grandchildren about our undying love for each other. I am undeniably leaving a mark on their hearts. I am their only past, present, and future. Their soul is entangled with mine till infinity. They are ready to jump through hoops just to prove their affection for me now. They are always trying their hardest and utmost best just to please me. If the world was ending, they'd want to be next to me. Whenever I go, they instantly follow. They are loving me every day like it is their last. Their undying love for me is impossible to go away, no matter how much time has passed. Their eternal love for me is a permanent commitment that transcends any circumstance or situation. I am their true love. I don't even have to lift a finger because they would move heaven and earth just to make me happy. I literally mean the world to them. I mean the most to them. Their fondness for me can be so overwhelming and intense that it feels as if it could last forever or even beyond death. They feel connected to me in a way that is impossible for them to experience with anyone else. They are capable of moving mountains for me. They go to the ends of the earth to keep me in their life. They are always going the extra mile to see me, speak to me, and spend time with me. My name is always on their lips, over and over again, like their only prayer. Type, their soul is entangled with mine till infinity to affirm and claim. You can listen to this meditation as many times as you would like. There is no limit. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you desire faster results, I recommend you let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.